something.
They're all staying on the table like they're...
Yeah, I know. Wait a minute.
You gotta look for the queen while you got them all spread out like that.
Honey,
Just a thought, Gail.
this is, I know, but this is like nerve-wracking. You know what? I need my bee brush.
Where's that? Hello? Where is it? Gail?
It's in the closet. In
I would
where all the stuff. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
What closet? Gail, they're starting to swarm over this way now.
She's still on the hive. More than likely. Put everything down. You want to come around this way?
No,
So you can see what I'm doing?
not really.
Here, let me have it then. Okay, so I'm cutting in the same way that it's all rippled. I'm cutting that way. All right. Well, here, take this. Forget it.
Take what?
This. Can you take the phone?
Yeah, I'm going.
Here.
Hey, somebody push this red button. Somebody push this red button.
Yes.
Push the red button.